Hi, this is Jackie from Jackie Burns Creations. Thanks for coming to my channel. Let's get started with the video. This video is a continuation of my pumpkin wreath, and I'm just showing you how to make the bow. What you do is you just grab the bow and you make the loop however big you want, and take it. You don't Well, I twisted it a little bit, but really you don't need to twist it because this is a double-sided. This one has wire in the ribbon. This ribbon I got from Dollar Tree. Beautiful fall ribbon. So make as many loops as you want to and as big as you want to, suiting whichever size you want to make on your bow. So what I did was I made each bow and then I twisted it in the middle, and then I made another loop. Now what I'm doing is I'm tying this with a piece of twine. Crafters are very cheap. This was the hanging twine that came off of the wreath that I just threw to the side. Now I've got another ribbon here. It's a plaid, a black and white plaid. Not quite a buffalo check, but good enough. And it's double-sided too, but it doesn't have wires. So what I'm doing is I'm making a loop. I'm going to pinch it in the middle and make the loop on the other side the same length. And I'll make that as full as I want. I decided it should be just a little bit smaller than the harvest plaid. And you can add as many ribbons as you want to. If you want to add 4 ribbons in different variations, you can do that. So now I'm cutting it off. And I'm going to lay it down on top of the twine and tie it. You can always do it with wire. Some people get intimidated by bows, but they're really very easy to make. And on YouTube, there's a lot of the DIYer crafters that show you how to make the different bows. I've been making bows since the 1980s, and I just kind of do my own thing. Now I'm fluffing it out. Oh, by the way, did you figure out I'm old? Okay, this is the tail that'll stick out just a little bit. I didn't want real long tails on it. So I'm cutting it on, folded it in half, cutting it on an angle, and there you have the dovetail. You just kind of keep twisting and fluffing and twisting and fluffing. So now I'm picking a spot on the wreath to glue it down. Looking to see what I like. You can wire them on. I'm just going to glue this one on. Hold it down for a little bit and do some more fluffing, twisting and moving. And I had a little bit of an open center, but I thought it'd be really cute. I take this little miniature pumpkin Okay, where's the miniature pumpkin? There it is. Put a little glue on the bottom of it. I think I got this at Dollar Tree in years past. I'm not really sure. It was just in with some of my Halloween or my fall flowers. Push it down a little bit. Do some more fluffing. I don't know if we ever get our bows fluffed quite the way we want them to be. Now here's the wreath all finished. Hanging it up on the wall there. I think I'm going to get a few more pumpkins and put on it. But there's the bow all done. Looks cute.